Welcome to the future. Meet the 2025 Polestar 4, an electric coupe SUV that refuses to look like anything else on the road. Exterior. From the first glance, you notice its sleek, low roofline and powerful stance. This is not a typical SUV. The wide sculpted shoulders give it presence, while the panoramic glass roof stretches seamlessly from front to rear, flooding the cabin with natural light. One of the boldest design choices is the complete removal of the rear window. Instead, a high-definition camera system sends a clear view to a digital mirror inside. This design not only enhances aerodynamics but also gives the car a clean and futuristic look. Underneath the elegant body lies a 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack, available with either a single or dual motor setup. The single motor version produces around 272 horsepower, going from 0 to 60 in about 6.9 seconds. The dual-motor all-wheel drive model takes performance to the next level, delivering up to 544 horsepower and sprinting from 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds. The range is equally impressive. The single-motor version offers up to 310 miles on a full charge, while the dual-motor variant provides around 280 miles. Both support high-speed DC charging of up to 200 kilowatts, allowing a charge from 10 to 80% in about 30 minutes under ideal conditions. Interior. Inside, the Polestar 4 feels like a calm, modern living space. The design is clean and minimalist, yet filled with technology and luxury. At the center of the cabin sits a 15.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by Google software, providing seamless navigation, voice control, and connectivity. The seats are designed for maximum comfort and support, while the use of sustainable materials highlights Polestar's commitment to responsible luxury. Rear passengers enjoy generous space and a lounge-like atmosphere, enhanced by soft ambient lighting. Technology extends throughout the cabin, including a digital rear-view mirror, active dampers for a smooth ride, and smart storage solutions that make every journey practical and comfortable. The dual-motor version also supports towing of up to 3,500 pounds, adding real-world versatility to its futuristic design. Pricing. The 2025 Polestar 4 starts at around $56,000 for the single-motor version, while the dual-motor all-wheel drive model begins at approximately $63,000. Fully loaded versions with premium packages can reach around $74,000. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews and automotive updates.